So, yesterday was St David's Day and there was a whole school assembly, and this morning there is PDC on vaccinations and why all the fuss. They're on the notice board, do check them out. Miss Weller is the one that's doing the vaccinations, and I believe yesterday it was Miss Owen Moore, because of course it was, being St David's Day, and Wales, which is about as far as I'll go with my attempt at a Welsh accent. I did once try to learn Welsh. Didn't go terribly well. Anyway, good morning. I hope you're all well, Year 11. It's not as foggy today, but it is darker. I don't know why. There must be more cloud cover or something. The sun never did come through yesterday, though on the plus side, I managed to avoid an accident on a roundabout on the way home, which is all good. By avoid, I mean I spotted it when I'd parked up and got home and then looked out the window, because I live over a roundabout, and there was an accident there, which must have happened in the time it had taken me to... Anyway, I'm going beside the point. Hopefully you're all prepared for the day ahead. I know I'm not. I've got a number of things I need to do actually, and this is going up late. So it's usually up by 8:15, and I've just checked the time, it's actually 8:15, so this will go up a bit later. I shan't keep you. You've got that PDC from Miss Weller on vaccinations. Do have a look. Do let me know what you think. I'm happy to respond. We'll see how we go. And make sure you've watched the St David's Day Assembly as well from Miss Owen Moore, because Miss Owen Moore is a bit of a legend. And, you know, Wales. So have a lovely day, and I shall see you tomorrow for the quiz.